aba siyango aba nyaikoma banyaikoma dos so chiyobeji chikoma chiko, these are the ones which sound very original as a bogetutu. We will talk about that one. Abakuru kwa babulia ndubwate abantu bakuru kwa abataranga ndubwate abande bakuru kwa abakona. We have people who are not Bogetutu, but who live in the Bogetutu. Una badawa telia abakeira. Una bakulia. Abakemotu. Abakemotu. Abakemotu na abayigwa baba tondo. Abatori. Abayigwa baba tondo. Abagisange. Abayigwa baba tondo. Abagisange. They are found there. I don't know whether I finished them. Most of them ward, ward, that's where their majority are. Majority are found in the Kemera ward, and they are found in Tieko ward, the other lower side. Omanua na Wakanyimbo. We have these ones. They are the same. Kweunga Muabogonko, Paremonyero ward in Kitutu Church. The entire Monyero ward, 90% are people from Muabogonko. When you are talking about Mwanyabosage, they are found in Maran ward, majority there. When we are talking about Mwabosire majority are going to be found in Maran ward. But in Kitutu Masaba, you will find them in Mawombo ward and part of the Sima ward. As the leader that is Mwamunari, when we talk about Mwamunari, majority are in Sense ward. When we talk about Magichana, majority are found in Mwaran ward. And I want to insist that Omogambi, Womogusibo Mogetu, Obuabete Magichana for over 90 years. What in your bed?
90?
Yes, up to 92. Yes, Buarekurwa, Muagichana, Buarenga Baboga, Babu Mondoko, Sakaria, Kirero, Norto, 1948, Baka 92. So Buarenga the same house throughout. Inegro Magichana, and Makimagendi. They were brothers of the same mother, and their mother was a Luo, Nyakanyet. The mother to Magichanas and Makimagendi, Nyakanyet was a Luo, and the mother of these two. Then we have, and the Mwagichana, they are the best in Emeino, Yomoksi. Omoise komo mwamunya kebuato utire manga, mwanyene ngombe na yeroche. Monto wagita banda uko Mwagichana babu. Ndubuate Mwagichule, ndubuate Bogesumwa, ndubuate Mwakiwena, na amina taunia, ndubuate Mwamusioma. Ase taunima. Ndubuate Mwamugesa. Pale inside Hage town. Abababere na baba ko confused ko ba Mwabundusi. Yako arabundusi na reise Mugesa na Musioma. Agi Musioma akaba prominent akarukwa ndezi nyobenera atange to siora obugambi wa Kitutu asaba. Abono akuruka apa Kitutu mwanya kundi around 16 of them. Now who are these original Kitutus? Original Kitutu. So out of these 16 houses, we have got another over 30 houses within Kitutu Masaba. They got an enda yenjo. Who are these? Nandike. Ngareto kolega onyo kubate at least one oboli. Egere wono. It will help you later when we are not there. Fortunately, we are doing this online. You will be able to again follow us from there. So we have our Kitutu, the original Kitutus, who we are calling original. Number one, we have those ones you hear, Bakurukwa, aba Nyamondo, Abambaba, Abauch. Those are referred to as original around there. Aba Getauri, Aba Getaorio, Aba Yesimo, Aba Bene, Aba Bembe, on common, who are found in the Bogetutu and kind of original. Aba Buria. Family.
We want to say that we appreciate you to accord. It's nyimbo of different types. There are visit on Chole. There is visit on Chole. Okorwanera. Somali sword. Somali sword. Etari ya ito ya lenge. Ne ya bagaka. Nege tegrawe ko to ko to. Abo waku ai kinzali chinchinko. Bobe wakula yono. Mayo kweli. Nege na bo wako. Minto bali mwacha. We appreciate you so much. I think we followed what we are coming to the end of our conversation. Again, to tattoo and engubo is there somewhere. And to Tannereta. Hey, but we want to appreciate you. So I want to take this opportunity to welcome some two people to say bye to us. Yeah, we shall have a song after they have said because of time. Yeah. So I want to recognize the director of tourism, Chiseqi County. I welcome Ensinyo, the minister, and then we finish. One to appreciate what we're doing here.
We also, this is our first time here.
Oh. First time visitors, first time guests. First time guests. Welcome. Stand up and say who you are. Anafunga. Wakiongea tunafunga mkutano. Please kindly. Start with your guests. You know, when they honor us, we honor them. No, when they honor us, we honor them. Kindly come and introduce all to our guests. Okay, because of time. Welcome, Mama.
Angela, they will have to be part and parcel. Whatever it gets. Because now they're the key. Here we see it, okay? Give a tea, quit and then go to Ovinia and Maranaki. se vitabu. Kono na kyo ko errani. Kono na njengere.
Morali.
Ebara genja ande. Kono na ndembiamole.
Ndembiamole mamani.
Go ndembiamole tingo kwa na manga aserero. Ande na go ndembiamole okorora. Doja kwa na manga na ande ndiko kwanja. Yeah, allow me to be part and parcel of you. Yeah. Wata ya bana. Wata mkumanya kieni. Mañana maulipa ange. Manje kero kuna ko kunga wawesi mogirango.
Kotorene minister aga. Aye momanyo chile. Kote bulake. Como watu se.
Ubina Nyamban. I'm learning a lot. There's a lot of learning to avoid. I got different sessions and we keep on learning day in, day out. We appreciate you for this and the knowledge you are getting, we pass it on and on to our generations. To take this opportunity, whatever we are learning, we nurture it and we pass it on. Because thank you for this program. The organizers, thanks a lot. Josephat, okemwa noyo motende. Okemwa noyo mugwa. Pleasure. Yamondo.
Najua kaji Simeon tena noara. Ugono vino leno jora una kitali ko ndanga tena miyoka. Ajana miyoka iko ndibu ati magoro lakini naikira. Mondo kama ati magoro pa. Ati magoro. Para mapi for hoteli, hoteli that doing a great work. No vino and the Camorias. I think you are doing great. And as a county government, Ninjendora, I'll enjoy what any minister and any chief Korenda, Nakia Manganaya, Kunyaveka through, and I hope and I know. I hope and I know. Again, it will be positively taken and we will try and come in forcefully. Yaman, thank
Okay. Okay, silence kindly.
My name is Lucas. I'm from the family of Chai. So I think I may not speak a lot because I have my singer there. This is a good idea. We are ready for it and we are supporting.
Thank you.
this is my second time here. Thanks to my uncle Alfred for inviting me again. Anytime I come here, I learn a lot.
Yes.
And when I realize normally we go live, Nairobi you can always watch. Let's come here and let's learn our genealogy. Thank you.
Thank you. Give him a clap. We have some special dancers who are retired. It is good to give them an opportunity to say something. Maureen, say something on behalf of the dancers.
Amareta Maureen, huyo mwindi ojora ani mwindi buataya atayo getugi ongiti cha utimai kina alani lero. I'm here with my dancers. We work at Chiseqi County Government under the leadership here our poet hapa. Here I'm with
Naba kwani mwansi wairire chenkoro kukerugo ndo yo mukora kontita onyakundi
We also have talent, exploration of talent, dance and different figures. Okay, no opportunities that you to talk about. Yes, you opportunity to talk about. So the question of como dice como mamá y chicas finanzas. Muy no there. Yo valgo yo como aquí, uno me dice como mamá y él. Mita na yo ni mo kiege que dio data na yo ni que o so mege o ni na yo counta. Como te no me dice como mamá na bate error. Asaba kusi. Asari gover algo soler. Como nyene mo bomor. Mone kra utira ase que mandi e di quattro io viera con nyegera. Ni de mtia. Ine que tene no modo como nyango. Modo. Ine bitebia. Go apa ende I cannot know what to say. You're doing very well. May God bless you. Even you're doing very well. I'm free, you're doing very well. Yeah. All this it's such a more. Please continue it. Escalera toke ya okay. Was on our to escalate.
That one, we shall go there and make sure it is the one.
To make an effort.
You know, our leaders. You are the trophy to confirm that we have done this. So by the time we have brought the Chiseqi community under control.
Bueno, story yo que estaba quiero que te bloqueen el cola, que voy a estar maganaya. Ese guerrero teño, una futarito medio, una ako mundo. Ya no corte, pero va a colocar en got. Como si yo te grababa. Vamos que ya got, es very got. Ahora voy a poner cabri. Y voy a yo que rato todo sobre está bien, na patagarra. Ahí yo donde va a poner ega directa. Ya ni que va a poner na YouTube que va a ver yo. May God bless you. Again, tokine. Ginger kina yo.
Aquí no va a quedar.
Wakalila mayani mito, takisano mito. Turamu, patoka niliombe sana. Papa nyumo tuito.
Dr. Alfred Yamwange has given us a brief.
Wanyamado baidi yata, chiko lunati mune, aduna bagoke, itu kojeza koja, magoro nama mori, haya lega lule, ole yesu nama tebye, nama wile chando.
That is very important.
This is my wife.
Kwani ke musi oyolingo
Oyomo lione.
oyomo kane omwenchelione noyo no mwenani Ono moinantio. Omwencherio aye no moinantio ye. Naende kuna moinanta na wencheria mubate ingaibai.
Wana wetu barari.
Tiga bate.
Digo, muy bueno nada.
Digo.
Muy bien.
Okay, we are finishing. Kindly, we are finishing, and that is how we like with humor. Because we have talked about wars and whatever happened, implements of war. Ekewusi, Mosaj, I'm talking about Emigiro. Mosaj, atari kwa Chiseqi, kia lile tuoni. Get that? I want somebody from the audience to interpret that as we could think. Mosaja tari go Chiseqi, yeah, koneki.
Kali tuan.
Yeah, what does that mean? No, you are responsible to talk about that. Like here, we want to learn Ekewusi. So, Mosaja tari go Chiseqi, kera koneki. What does that mean? But you know that go interpret that. Tevan. Kitoko na kometa bienveniki.
Nsema nyetebuna. Na tari ke kwa na mongi noye.
Kira kwa mesa ba.
Give a clap.
Director. Also it means abantu kirabagoje nyumba enemies kirabagoje butukomorere no mungi na nyumba kwikamora arasigita abana bakarasigita saiga yabo nini uyugwe tiri na chomba cha chiri umungi nawo kani tosoka tigete garebo tienda
But get it right now.
Yes sir.
Mosaja tari kubukira kwa mukaye igare ko gendo for a function uruira narari. Sarate kurenda ki kurengeni.
Mburira turenda aigam.
Yeah. Wasuwake na mambo aliko mwaibaga akoreki aikoruana Chiseqi lakini asenge nchamba nyitina umwemi na bara achensa chinecho Jones igare gukora na wasuwake na mama pema uira na
Abu
igona yeke busi
okura neke na moso ago muina.
Igo. Yes, Igo. Eneritimo. I want you people to know this. Aseke kusi. Eneritimo. Enaritimo. Ritimo. Lakini ritimo is not just ritimo. It was also symbolic of manhood. Yoko ritimo. There is everything about what? Ritmo. There was everything about what? Ritmo. Ritmo. Totere ritmo. Then ritmo ne ritmo. Ritmo was not just ritmo yese? Yes. Ritmo di arengo. Ritmo ndiro mubugori. Echingu banchiro. Lakini ritme ni diarenge Chiseqi. Chiseqi nechinyi. People, are you enjoying our conversation?
Yes.
You go, apart from this symbolic, apart from this fighting, and apart from everything, the Timorio Mosaja was an essential commodity. Nyomba. Na Mosaja miyaba alivyote anu kuringa kurisiri mwaye komogoko kusano nukanyomba. Na Mosaja kusano nukimogoko nyomba. Wikari utuara ki Timo. Nani wikari utuara Timo nikobe? This is how Amatimo look like. Show them the types of Amatimalian sound. Naro Amatambe, Naro Amenge, Naro Amabochu, Naro Yogotara. I don't know.
Excuse me, something to be very, very serious. Yes. I've actually killed somebody.
The kid like movement, you go, but you look at it, it's so beautifully done. No one told to me that I could come around me and I could go Borominda talikoro kuki, talikoro kubana. Ikiara ruku abana iko kwa saliri. Very good thing. Kiara community abwa. Inkia talikoro kirubana. No tete community. Kiwa itiro monta eno morominta.
Yonto yukora akora loko wali abane melu. Okubagule melu.
Thank you. Why don't we give a clap for we want to start talking about today's topic, but we must entertain ourselves and we must know our origin. As we host you at Humphrey's Culture Talk and Conversation, you know very well that we are enhancing what our traditions were and what they are and what we think the future about them. Today's topic is about war. Ebirwanero byabo n'Emigiro yokwenda n'Ebirwanero ebyo. So I'm requesting Moikaranse. So as we talk this, I will invite the person to give us a brief on behalf of elders. They are around, they are within, some are on their way coming, but the history, we have it with us in the form of somebody who is within the house. Ebodie, ask yourself, where we are right now. We have had many fights, we have had many wars. Do you know the people were the first ones to own even a gun and how it happened? That one we shall know today. Oyuorenge collaborate yo mosongo. Otochandete akaleta basongo. Nero bete the gateway. Koleta basongo busi. We want to know who he is today. Ekerabaleta bagachaka go beka administration yabo obogambi bw'abasetole. We want to know that today. Korenda, oire marake. Bono maite tu akire mosquito ye bono muko gwekana. On the other hand, como gusina rengi structure di nchira kurwana. Nebirwano biaye ntobiwata. We want to show you after the talk so that you understand ngakitwale asokurwane sehiye kusi. We appreciate your presence. We appreciate you and we want to welcome you to this talk. Humphrey's Hotel loves even nurturing talent. We discover some rare talents among people and we want to feel it and see it if possible. And if you are willing, you support that talent so that we see where it will take us. I don't know if you know that. Koko mwai talent yo gotera musonga gatera tasi umenya gotera kobuo musongo. You know, those are talents we talk about that can pay if we give them opportunity. And that is what Humphrey's Hotel is talking about. Welcome to Humphrey's Hotel, and my first presentation of entertainment. Namari yoyeki ni chagusi na bintu bindi ne animals. Akamwana kara unkoreta. Kata bilieta kama iko toteka. That thing. Yeah. Say your name?
Abel. Nyakundi Mogaka.
Good. Tinyon. Be very silent because some birds are very soft.
Machetenka. Kasome binyoni. Yakine to miro katunje. Katunje, eko kono katunje. Aka antonga ro korose ariga. Quarta.
Enruje. Entali enruje.
Ento aguateri gene sio kurtaiga. Guatoka. Guagapima. Omorasi. Atebono, togacho. Omorasio. Ogatunje.
Gatunje.
Ono kikora gueta ariga. Nana kwewe binyani bikuvuga. Nana kana kwega. Ono ebinyoni ebi obuna ntubata kanani akamwago naki. Ondo na ukaiwa gacha. Bari hapo na. Akuna kamo.
Enyoni ki.
Ebinyoni ebi mpaka tinje timbe manyabule. Asenyenjo unaka mochiro kakulika mai.
Aka mochiro?
Mochiro oro okonsumbwa mambi sana. Na ndeti mai tusongochoro sumbu ndekatia. Kari hapo wali wati koleke mambi. Opena ta kwimo kominya kujegasi. Na kyora.
Bogondo korema.
Na kyorega. Kapo sumbu nke koni kyabo. Kalau orang kakak ada kaca. Tapi,
Jadi kan kakak bayar cahaya ini.
ada. Ani orang aku mending aci. Ono. Kau ngkon lah, orang kalau jinde kasih kan, nanti dia kau nyora. Nanti kau iwan tu mereka mami akan nyoni musina akan ngau kali. Lagi ono asbi uci biang ngomong yo. Di bono dek kasih aneh kan? Nana ibu kan hotel. Biar mereka erek, asalnya jo. Mana tu usul buatan ibu ya. Terus cingkari aku lagi. Nanda kali kamu kan? Bono, kali aku ada kabuatan. No, bukan ke bawah tadi. Aku nak kali aku biar. Nanti nih om mau nanti padu mapema. Nanti aku umurmu. Kau nanti kerja kau cakap begitu. Wajah bono, asli aja itu kabur kan. Nah kalau kita urusan nama boleh dari ina buat tu katunje. Kumbe nengi tena yango bugere.
Nengi tena jongo.
Nene kwanda yake kutuli kumbe. Ana tusana.
Obe na kule boss.
Nere wake kutuli on.
Nengi dia bukan.
Bono enyoni biki ko ga. Ona nengi tiama waka. Yani ewaka ekechulia kabono namba kwa wasamenda
Ditutu, no me tengo ni cómo.
Koraya.
Mai esa última.
Bono, ebinyonyi bigachanganya. Ati ona. Nege burura.
Burura re. Como se dice?
Bono, pero maite, burura nyora kumige tomono. Ebintu binachite ngasoma kumburu sana ma. Okumige tomono lakini ugatiryoke.
Dilo. Next. Engo kira ni tamake.
What?
Ano, no ane ko peri nero ni wata kariri ako. Yani
Ini abi kira usnya.
Ini abi kira usnya ya dragi.
Ella ancora ngiri mo chuchu wae. Nende bono, nengo kone ile changanya. Nero nenyo niende, tutuketesa.
Oh yes.
Bono. Nkama ukumi. Enyo nieje. Crescembro ane ni chiko nyoka igora. Kumbe ne tutu tena chachi tuate. Ebiro te buya kain. Kanyora ngengoko. Ne kwa ngiri chuchu. Nabeko bwelo.
Pero ili tuko tenya nyenye tu akabutubu motu akairwa daraja mbili tokuruka daraja mbili for now, and for that special expression I want to invite Nyandika ara atuherera igoro yotenyo oroleri rwaye naende na kiangentire on the day of 1st February 1908. Welcome. Untoko mwakera ganto kiwane Welcome.
Mr. Vino Nyambane, thank you so much for this chance. Oyokwana is a close relative of Otenyo Nyamaterere. Asenyo Bekurukwa Ababene ime Yagusi. The larger Mwanebere clan. Ase Aguete. Akitoa chukwana manganae. Tunataka tukuando ruregia ake. Esinge chomuroche echo uyerega. Asto tebanga woketutu nenda yencho. Oterankura ataka toterere rasi tukuliarero. Asu kunyoro tukeri ya tarehe moja on February 1908 ekero Otenyo Nyamaterere agete abuturitwe omutoye. Lakini esegi eya agete omusongo eya bete tarehe 11 January 1908 alia Nyagisai pase omosisita. Igobono bali baraba usi inata kamo mo totero gotero kuwa 1 minute ngoba train bono iga 1 2 3 turere Otenyaboke turere otenya boke orai bwa jirobo ya ture otenya boke ture otenya boke orai bwa jirobo ya ture otenya boke It's around 117 years ago. Ekero tenyo itetue 2025 1908. Let's do the subtraction. It is 7 1 1. Sorry for those ones who are doing using calculators in school, as we are doing it by our mental sound. During that time, 117 years ago. The Kisi is a Bantu group in Usi, in Kenya, but they is referred to as Eastern Bantus. They are the Western Bantus in Kenya. But if I say that this is the only community that is surrounded by 3 Nilotes, they have got the lake, the river, and Lake Nilotes, who are the Luos. They are surrounded by the plain Nilotes from this side, who are the Maasais. They are also surrounded by the highland Nilotes, who are the Kipsigis. How did they live alone here? The Bantus, the Eastern Bantus, they feared Nilotes a lot. But the Kisi was able to live here. Omogusi erega metega gotenga omogusi tari kuliera nchoke mole. Why he adopted to live here is because of the weapons we have here. It's because he was looking for the fertile land. It's because he loved to live where there are hills. He never wanted to live near the rivers. In fact, Sakawa is buried on the hill. Nyakundi is buried on the hill, indicating to us that they never loved living on low zones. And that's why this hill, where we are, is the most admired place for a Kisi to live in. I want to state that I must bring you into Kisi in terms of these clans, which are the main clans of Kisi. I don't want to assume this topic because you might be here for the first time. Kisis have protected themselves by clans for the purposes of marriage. And they have gone ahead to name these clans after their constituencies so that people cannot forget their clans. Further still, we even name our wards after our clans, like Bosamaru, Bonyamatuta, Bogichora, Bojitendere, Bogetenga, so that we are able to know these clans exist. So we have one which we are calling Bogirango. And there are 2 of them, South Mugrango, North Mugrango. Number 2, we have the one we refer to as Kitutu, who are Abagitutu. 3, we have the ones we refer to as the Bobasi. We have the ones we refer to as Bobachoge. And there are other finer details which I cannot talk about today. And we have the other one we refer to as Nyaribari.
one child.
Then we have others we refer to as Wonchari. These are the main 6 when I am going to refer to them. But there are others who are within here and live, like now we can talk about Otondo. These are Maasais who live in Kisii. Their origin, they draw their origin from the Maasai. Babu at Kamat. Why would we say Motondo at Kamat? That man, when he married, in their home there was no sister. So the woman who was married at home did not find a sister there. So Umotondo Tabu at Kamat. We have Aba Sigisa. Aba Sigisa also are people from Korea. They are here. They also don't have Kamat. We have others we are calling Aba Keira. Aba Keira are from Korea. They are also Babu Kamat. We also have Aba Busero. Aba Busero are the ones in the Bugusero ward. They have clans which remain behind, like the Xeru of the Luoland and the Baguserek of Maasai. We have the Baguserek, which are in these ones. Baguserek will be found in either Luoland or some will be found here. And when they are in Kisii, they can be found in almost all these major constituencies. Some are in Bugrango, several are in Kitutu. We was part of it. Everybody will have quite a number.